e-conomic, a leading financial application for small businesses, and Scribe, a leader in CRM integration. Together, you can run your small business more effectively by connecting your SaaS products, such as your CRM, with your financial applications. Many small businesses recognize the importance of running their business with utmost efficiency, yet struggle with effectively connecting their financial systems with CRM and other online applications. Scribe effectively integrates economics with other online applications to reduce costs and increase speed, eliminate manual data entry, and spend more time selling. Increase efficiencies. Small businesses need to do more with less. Connect your online applications to increase profitability. Look bigger than you are. Compete with bigger players in the market by running a more competitive business. Let's see how easy it is to integrate economics with your dynamic CRM system using Scribe. Here we can see the integration between dynamic CRM and economic, built by Cowia Solutions and powered by Scribe. This integration automatically synchronizes data like customer master between dynamic CRM and economic. This seamless integration allows new and updated data to flow between both systems. By synchronizing not only customer master data, but also the product catalog, the integration allows your CRM users to take and submit orders within CRM, and to have those actions trigger the subsequent creation of a sales order within economic, eliminating the need for double data entry. Since these two systems are now linked, you can streamline your business process by leveraging integration. Your finance team can now easily invoice the customer and have that invoice automatically be generated within CRM, so that the sales team can have the most complete view of their customer. With the Cowia e-conomic connector and Scribe, you can leverage integration to make your business process easier for your team, faster for your customers, and more reliable overall. Take a free trial today to see what the buzz is about.